One of the best things I've done for my health is to go on a whole food, plant-based way of eating. Friday, October 18th, 2024 marks 6 years since I've been on a whole food, plant-based way of eating. A whole food, plant-based diet is a subset of a vegan diet. I only eat things from the plant and fungi kingdoms, and very occasionally, less than 1%, eat things from the animal kingdom. To commemorate and celebrate my 6 years of going on a whole food, plant-based diet, I'm sharing in this video resources on social media to information that I've learned over the past 7 years when I was first diagnosed with diabetes, and then my eye issues, hear issues, urology issues, whatever else. Okay, so everything's I put in the public domain. I'm also sharing hundreds of recipes that I have, whole food plant-based recipes, as well as soup recipes, ULAM and salad recipes, fruit juice and smoothie recipes. So feel free to utilize these resources and share it to people who you think it may be beneficial. And everything's free of charge. There's no subscription money you have to pay or anything. So if you're a business owner and running a vegan or vegetarian business, feel free to make use of these resources to improve your business and get more customers. Okay, enjoy.